What the fuck? Are you fucking serious?
What?
You fucking cockfucker! What the fuck do you think you're doing?
I have a boyfriend.
You gotta fucking kidding me. Oh, God.